Buddha once said, "You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. But we spend most of our lives pouring energy into everyone else, trying to please, impress, and be accepted. The result? We forget the one person who needs our devotion most, ourselves." To be obsessed with yourself doesn't mean arrogance, it means awareness. It means becoming so focused on your own growth, your own peace, your own purpose, that the noise of others no longer shakes your center. When you learn to value yourself deeply, the world finally begins to respect you. This is how obsession with yourself becomes your greatest form of enlightenment. Know yourself before you serve others. Buddha taught, "Better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles." You cannot truly love, guide, or help anyone if you are lost within yourself. Spend time understanding your thoughts, desires, and fears. Journal, meditate, reflect. The more you know who you are, the less you'll need the world's approval. Self-awareness isn't selfish, it's sacred responsibility. Detach from the need to be understood. Most suffering begins when you try to explain your vision to those not meant to see it. The Buddha was misunderstood by many before he was revered by all. You are not here to convince, only to live truthfully. When you stop seeking validation, your energy returns to you. That's when growth becomes unstoppable. Guard your energy like a temple. Your peace is sacred ground. Buddha said, "Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace." Every time you chase gossip, argue online, or dwell on negativity, you hand your energy away. Be obsessed with protecting your inner state. Surround yourself with calm people, quiet places, and thoughts that elevate you. Energy wasted on distraction is energy stolen from your destiny. Focus on progress, not perception. The ego wants to look good, the soul wants to become good. When you start working for progress, not applause, you start walking the Buddha's path. You'll realize most people are too distracted to notice your effort anyway. So work quietly. Build yourself in private. Let results, not reactions, be your validation. Love yourself so deeply that you outgrow neglect. Buddha said, "You can search the entire universe for someone who is more deserving of your love than you are yourself. And that person is not to be found." Loving yourself is not a trend, it's transformation. When you fill yourself with love, you stop begging for it. You stop chasing those who overlook you. You become whole, and that wholeness attracts peace, not chaos. Buddha didn't isolate himself to escape the world, he did it to understand himself. Be obsessed with your own growth the same way the Buddha was with truth. Forget what others are doing. Their path is not yours. When you rise early to improve yourself, when you walk alone toward purpose, when you protect your peace instead of pleasing others, you are not selfish. You are awakening. The day you become fully devoted to yourself is the day the universe starts moving in your favor. Because self-mastery isn't ego, it's enlightenment.